Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. My neighbor, very good neighbor, is having a little family gathering next door, and I don't want to interrupt them, so I'm doing my intro inside tonight, guys. We're going to be back out on the Weber kettle. It's actually going to be tomorrow morning when I do this. We're prepping this the night before, and I've got about a 9-pound pork butt, pork shoulder, however you want to say it, down here, and we're going to get it seasoned up tonight, put it in the fridge, let everything fall in love overnight. We're gonna get out in the morning and get it on the grill. Let me show you what we're doing. Guys, as you can see, it's a fairly decent little pork butt we got here. It's a little over 9 pounds. And I'll tell you what, there's not a lot of fat cap up here, but what's here I don't really want to lose because I think it's gonna add to the flavor. I don't want to take it off, but I want to score it so I can help get some of that seasoning down in here. That's all we're gonna do to this, guys. There, just down here in a bit. Give it kind of like a little crosshatch pattern. That's all we're doing. I don't always do this, but I'm gonna come in with a little yellow mustard as a binder. And just not real heavy. You won't even taste the mustard. It's gonna help hold some of that seasoning on for us. Probably should have put on some gloves for cleanliness, but too late now. I could have used a bigger pan though. Shame on me. Alright guys, something I've never used on a pork butt because, well, to be honest, last time I did a pork butt, this rub did not exist. This is the Brazilian steakhouse rub from Grillaholics. I love this on everything I've used it on, so we're gonna give this a good go and put it on pretty heavy on this pork butt. It's a big chunk of meat, so don't be afraid to season it. Don't forget to do your ends. And lastly, let's hit this fat cap up here. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this guy up, put her in the fridge overnight, and I'll see you in the morning when we're firing up the grill. Good morning, everybody. Alright guys, I think we're pretty okay for this cook. Add more charcoal as we go today on this one. Just for some easy cleanup, I'm going to be adding a pan for this one. Bring this on up to 10. Alright guys, let's get this show on the road. It's gonna be a long day. It's been my first low and slow that I've done in a while. You know, typically I'd come in here and use cherry wood on this cook, but I'm out of cherry wood, so for the first time ever, I'm gonna attempt applewood. Have you used applewood? Let me know in the comments if you've ever smoked pork butt with applewood. We'll check back here in maybe a couple hours to see where we are. Alright guys, we're taking our really first look at this, at the meat. We've been on for 2 hours. I did add some wood about an hour in, and it's going good. We're holding great temperatures. Notice I did not probe this. Honestly guys, I just know where this thing runs. That's been running about 250 degrees. I just know the grill, so I don't really worry about checking, probing it with temperatures. I will probe it later. But I just want to give this thing a turn if I can. Just for even cooking. Thing looks good. We're starting to get some bark formation. I'm going to scoot it away from the heat a little bit more. And that's really all we're going to do. I am going to add a piece of wood while I'm here, just to keep it going. I got some smaller pieces of wood I just kind of want to get rid of, so I'm going to start them in there. Alright guys, we'll check back in an hour or two. Alright, we are, let's see, what, about 4 hours in? Looked like I needed a little attention out here. Our fire, I'm going to add a little wood to this. Everything's going very smoothly. I am going to turn this around if I can do it. There, shake some of that. Yeah, you get a little flake, but it's always good to shake some of that dust off, the ash off, because ash will smother out a fire. So, but let me see if I can do this quickly. Give that another turn. Very good. Liking everything I see. I'm gonna check the temp just to see where we are. I don't think we're anywhere close. Actually, we're closer than I thought. 133. Little ways to go. I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer before I wrap it. Throw some more wood in here. I'm gonna add a little bit more charcoal as well. And some more wood. We'll check back in about an hour just to see where we are. Okay, I believe we're going to be at that point. 163, 164. Yeah, it's time to wrap this. Yeah. Alright guys. Yeah, let's wrap this. I'm actually going to do this in an aluminum pan. We'll put some foil over that. Actually, we'll use some gloves for this just to try to help protect my hands a little bit. That's still pretty hot. Come in here and wrap this on up with just some foil, nice and neat. Alright guys, get this right back on here. Not worried about smoke anymore. We'll check back in a little while. We're right at the 6 hour mark, to be honest with you, so we're going as scheduled. So yeah, we'll check back in an hour or so. Alright guys, be careful here. I checked this off camera about 30 minutes ago and we were about 190, so I'm guessing we are very, very close. Ouch, 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 that's hot. And 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'm calling this, folks. It is like butter. I cannot wait. Look at that. Can you see that? Probably can't read the numbers, but I'm pulling this. Take it inside, guys, and we're just gonna let this rest for maybe up to an hour. I don't have anybody coming over to help me eat it for another hour or so, so yeah. Let's get this off of here. See if I can do this without burning myself. Oh, it's made a mess too. Alright, See you inside. There you go, guys. This is about 8.5 hours of love here. I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna pull this. These gloves are not insulated, so I hope it goes okay. Let's see if I can pull this bone out. Good, clean pull. Guys, we're just gonna get in here and get with it. Pretty hot, I must say. Guys, we'll check back when this is pulled and get a taste test on it. Hey guys, I admit I broke down and broke out a couple forks because that was getting pretty hot. So let me get in here and get a piece here. Everything was delicious. Got a little bit of smoke ring in there. Plenty of smoke ring. Smells delicious. Would you look at there? Let's get a bite of that right there. Let's give this a taste, guys. It's delicious, moist, very good. Tell you what, I've never used apple wood on a pork butt before. I'll do it again. Pretty good, very tasty. First time using from my friends at Grillaholics, that Brazilian steak rub. Use that on the pork shoulder. Very tasty. I can definitely taste it in there. I've used it on other things, steaks. You've seen that in some previous videos. But guys, there you go. It's been a while since I've been able to do a low and slow. Really glad I got to do it today. It was a hauling after though. But I tell you what, it was awesome. Great day. So guys, thank you as always. You know, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.